Yo, hi guys. Today I bought the squishy butter, and it's not the small one, it's the big one. I'm gonna show you. Look, this is the squishy dumbbell. Look, it's so big. It's like this. It's kind of smell like butter too. It's so squishy, bro. Oh la la. Mama seen on the Tuesday holiday. Oh my god.